Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great granddad's day. Got some tamarind. It's my first time having some tamarind. And guess I'm about to get that on film. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Wow. Yo! Yeah, this thing's the mighty thing that comes outside. It's like those little leaves, but it's like green. Sometimes it hardens and turns brown. Wow. Over here smelling it. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. It's so neat. I guess I gotta break this mug. Ooh, look at that, boy. Broke it. Okay. Woo. Breaking the shell. I shall break it. Oh, okay. Getting real sticky now. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Got some bend to it. I suppose it's going to be rather chewy. Chewy. Well, I guess I'm going to have to chew on it then. All right, look at that. Look at the vines and hooks on that one. All right, first I'm gonna have to get a proper angle so you can see me take my first bite. And we're here. Here it is. Gotta show y'all. Guess I can do it like this. Hold up. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. I'm doing sour, okay? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Is this what they put in the airheads? What the frick? Is that the seed? Oh. Well, I think I swallowed something. I don't know what it had. That wasn't the seed. I don't know. That was so sour. What the frick? They better come with a warning label on this one, cuz. I'm at to juice this one. I'm put it in my blender, god dang it. Did I put the blender up? Where I put the blender? Oh my gosh. Wow. Didn't expect that. I thought they're gonna be like sweet, since they look like dates. I thought they're gonna be like, the date color. I thought it was gonna be sweet. I was in for a shocker. Probably should. Yeah, man. Clearly, I can't even finish this. Okay, it's just me. Yeah. This right here has a bit. Oh! That is sour. Ooh! Oh my God, I'm not exaggerating with this, bro. I did not expect that, bro. I just want to look it up online and make sure I pronounced it up. And then I had to pause the video, make sure, because I didn't want her to say what it sounds like or tastes like give any other description after I heard her say the name. So, but yeah, this is on the Dr. Sebi list. It's my first time having this one, yo. I gotta get to have an organic experience on camera, which y'all can see. Oh. Alright, I finished it. Last sip, guys. Hold up. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Talk about sour, cuz. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation. You can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can just send us a DM on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. If you're not following us already, go ahead and do that. We post on a regular day, daily uploads on our every single day on our YouTube video, on our YouTube account. One of a kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our apparel. Get your hats, caps, snapbacks, jackets, polos, t-shirts, different types of t-shirts. You know, we got it there for you, hear me? And also we got our business course too. Got a business course that we guys even took for ourselves. Lockdown is happening. A lot of things getting closed. What the heck y'all gonna do, man? What the frick are y'all gonna do? You know, you gotta get some money, man. You gotta get some money, especially when living in society. Gotta get a business, gotta learn how to do that. Stop taxing yourself just out of 40%, you hear me? Gotta learn the business. I got that link for you guys in the description box below. For you guys, do appreciate if you like this video, like the organic, authentic response, interaction. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads, like I said. I want to share this too, whoever needs it. Honor to the brother Dr. Sebi, American brother too, because his mother is from Honduras. Honduras is an American continent. Peace, love, and light, y'all.